Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of OPPO Reno smartphone. It comes with 3765 mAh battery along with 20 watt VOOC 3.0 flash charging. So we will see that how much time it's going to take in reaching from 0 to 100%. Right now the battery is totally dead, the device is not even switching on, and for this testing purpose we are going to use the official OPPO VOOC flash charger, this special VOOC USB cable, and this another phone as a timer purpose. So let's just start it. So it's already 1% now after 30 seconds, and you can see there is VOOC logo coming in the battery charging animation. So it's nearly 22 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. It's 37%. So now let's switch on the device. So as you can see that right now the device is connected to the Wi-Fi, there is no SIM card inserted, and the brightness is set on auto. So after 24 minutes 20 seconds it's 40%, and as you can see that smart power saver option is enabled by default, so we are going to use it. So it's 40 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 66%. So after 40 minutes battery reached to 67% now, as you can see, and it is showing that it will take 30 minutes more in reaching 100% from this stage. So it's 1 hour now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 89%. So after 1 hour exactly, the battery percentage reached to 89 from 0, and it is showing that it will take 21 minutes more in reaching to 100% from 89%. So now it's 1 hour 15 minutes. Let's check the battery status once again, and it's 99%. So after 1 hour 15 minutes battery percentage reached to 99, and as you can see that it is showing that it will take less than 6 minutes to reach 100%. And it's 100% now. So 1 hour 17 minutes 15 seconds we can say it took to reach 100% from 0%, and this is also matching with the OPPO claim. If you have a look on the official website and the VOOC Flash 3.0 charging graph, it shows that it will take around 1 hour 15 minutes to 1 hour 20 minutes in reaching from 0% to 100%, and it took 1 hour 17 minutes here right in front of you in reaching 100% from 0%. Battery was totally dead. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.